everybody, it's been a while, but this is Big Red Disc Golf here, and we've got something fun for you today. There's a new company that I just recently found out about called Newbsimhouse Custom Discs. It's a mouthful, but what these guys are doing is 3D printing discs with some sort of, I don't know what the material is, but it's got some good like flex to it. It feels like a disc. The one we're going to be showcasing today is the Mr. Putt. This thing feels like a polecat on steroids. It is real flat, completely flat edge. It feels like a paint lid, like a polecat really. I've found that it personally kind of flies like a zone. And what we're going to do is kind of take this thing out on the course here at Lincoln Ridge, show you guys some of the shots you can use it on, and then let you know if we think you should buy yourself a 3D printed PDGA legal Mr. Putt.
Now this comes in glow too, right?
Yep, so actually the way it works, the standard ones are like 20 bucks. This is a special stamp. He's got a thing going with the Arizona Ace holes, so you can get that one. And then if you want to chip up a little more, you can get a custom disc with glow filament, with a logo in there if you want. Just send him your requests, and you know, I'm sure he can make it work out. The glow works really well. I love having this thing in my glow bag. And yeah, it's just Mr. Putt is Mr. Putt. You guys will see. So check this out and let us know what you think down in the comments below.
Parked it though.
Put the cool ones in. Okay, so I'm going to attempt to actually throw this thing. How far is this hole?
300
feet.
300
300 feet.
yeah, 305 feet.
I don't know if this is really made to go that far, but we're going to...
He's gonna big arm it for us. Give it some Annie. All right, for real this time.
Take two.
That's not a bad shot at all.
That's all I got with that one.
That's good. Good rip, bud. Good tree?
It's also good for putts.
Yeah, Mr. Putt is aptly named.
Mr. Putt with a star frame. Yep. He's going Mr. Putt on the 290-foot turnover.
Don't try this at home.
No way that just worked. Are you parked?
We'll see.
That's sick!
Hey. Well, guys, Bro's a little bit excited.
That's incredible. Alright, I gotta try that dumb shit too. Leave me out for the kids. Whoa, what did I just witness? You can't even throw a side on, dude. Is that it? Is that the disc? That's the disc! And Mr. Putt's the disc! Yeah, dude. This is ignorant.
Alright guys, so those of you who are local and you know this hole, if you've watched these discs, this shot is actually kind of stupid that we just pulled off.
Ignorant is the word for that, ignorant.
If you're from Kentucky, it is definitely ignorant. Not bad.
No way! What a par save from the kid. And then if you look, that's another couple of Mr. Putts in the bucket, boys. Look at the happy Andrew and his smiling face.
All right, good. Not horrible. Good placement.
Yeah, got a putt.
Get down. Oh, okay. That's right edge there.
All right, Mr. Putt left me about 25, 30 downhill.
I'm calling basket.
On a basket?
Yeah.
And it sticks. Mr. Putt is a bucket, just a walking disc bucket. What do you think?
It's a bucket.
Mr. Putt. Absolutely parked it.
Alright guys, I will say, for this disc, being as weird as it is, I would say I'm almost parked. I'm circle one. Not bad, if I might add. It's kind of a crush with this disc. I like from back there.
There you go.
Come on, man.
Mr. Putt. And I did it. Bro. Okay. I think it's dry, and I'm gonna go ahead and walk down there now.
She's parked, folks.